Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Are you on the hunt for a new job or perhaps looking to earn some extra cash on the side? Well, you're in the right place. We've got something exciting to share with you today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips and tricks to make money online. Alright, let's talk about BossJob, a game changer in the job search world. BossJob is a fantastic job board platform designed to help you find the job you've been dreaming of. It's user-friendly and packed with features that make job hunting a breeze. Whether you're searching for a full-time gig or just something part-time to supplement your income, BossJob has got you covered. The platform caters to a wide range of job seekers, from fresh graduates to seasoned professionals. Once you sign up and become a member of BossJob, you get access to their user-friendly dashboard. This dashboard is designed to make your job search as efficient and effective as possible. From there, you can easily search for jobs that match your skills and interests. The search filters allow you to narrow down your options based on location, industry, job type, and more. Trust me, with the variety of opportunities available, you're bound to find something that fits your needs. Whether you're looking for remote work, freelance gigs, or traditional office jobs, BossJob has it all. BossJob isn't limited to one industry either. It's a versatile platform that caters to various fields. You can explore job listings in IT, sales, telecommunication, product management, manufacturing, food and beverages, design, healthcare, and medical, and so much more. The diversity of job listings ensures that there's something for everyone. It's like a job seeker's paradise. Imagine having all these opportunities at your fingertips, ready for you to explore and apply. Now let's talk about payment methods. This is an important aspect for many job seekers. Most employers on BossJob offer convenient payment options like direct bank transfers or PayPal, making it super easy for you to get paid for your hard work. No more worrying about how you'll receive your earnings. So what are you waiting for? The job of your dreams could be just a few clicks away. Head over to BossJob, sign up, and start exploring all the amazing job opportunities waiting for you. The process is simple and straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. Your dream job could be just a few clicks away. Don't miss out on the chance to advance your career or find that perfect side hustle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and of course subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you stay updated on all our future content. We have a lot of exciting videos planned that you won't want to miss. Catch you in the next video.